Hi everyone, let's start our webinar. Many of you ask about this webinar so many times. That's why I decided to do it. Friends, write into the comment where you're from and what questions do you have about our topic. Today we will speak about our topic because many of you wrote about entry exit points. Yes, I will do webinars about it, but in the future because we need to build step by step our information, our knowledge. Okay, from India, great to see it. Yes, from India. Hi guys, I'm from Kiev, Ukraine. For a start, everyone write here about where you're from, and also friends, write. Do you hear me clearly, correctly? Is everything good with video? If you see something like that, just write it into the chat. Okay. Okay, I'll check. Yes, I have two internet uh, because for start new internet, good. Good. Connection is clear. Everything is clear. Let's start. Let's start, friends. Let's start. Um, as I said a few days ago, our topic is four biggest mistakes in trading which 99 traders do. Uh, I want to tell you that I worked in a fixed trade, in a fixed broker, and I saw it by my own eyes. I had a portfolio. I was in a retention department. I worked with existed clients. It was 2 years ago, and I saw how people blew out many accounts. That's why I want to tell you these mistakes, because it is really important to stop doing it. Only if you will stop doing that mistake, you have at least a chance to become a good trader. Because if you will not stop doing it, you will blow out everything. Because I saw it many times. A few words about me and why I can speak about this. I'm top trading view offer number 32 from 7 million traders all over the world. Also, I want to show you some of my statements that I don't just blah 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 blah. Few seconds. Okay, detailed statement. It's in Ukraine language. Tick meal, currency British pound, real account. Yes, more than 2 years. Total net profit 81,000. Investor deposit 40,000 pounds at his account, and this profit we made for last 2 years. It was really conservative trading because mostly I can make far more, but everything depends on risk approach. Also about my experience, I'm 6 years in trading. That's why I'm sharing it with you. Okay, let's start clear. Uh, Friends, write into the chat. Can we start speak about our main topic, about our four mistakes? Can we start to speak about it? If everything clear, you hear me good with video, just write that yes, yes, let's start. Let's start, give me it. We want mid or something like that. Just write it into the chat. Yes, yes. Guys, come on, write it. And also push like and subscribe on my YouTube channel because so soon there will be new webinars, and you will get a notification if you subscribe. Can we start? All is well. Let's start. Great, Michelle. Great to hear it. Okay. First, biggest mistake in trading is over trading. You trade too much. You need to understand that your profit and how many entries you made per day, your profit will not rise if you make more entries per day. Because I saw how some traders make three, four positions per month, and they had huge profit because they took the best entries. You need to hunt for the best entries. I want to show you an example here. It is one service which collects statistics, which show it. You can you can see where you make money and where you don't make money. So soon I will make webinar about it and how it can improve your trading. But today I just show you the magic. It is a statement of one account, and here we have entry hours. And take a look. It's in Ukraine we don't have PM. We have 24 hour. We use 24 hour. It is 3 p.m., 5 p.m., and 7 p.m. and 1 p.m. 1 p.m. Trader made negative position. And take a look at this moment. With this statement, total profitability 133%. With 750 position. Take a look what happened if we will minus, for example, we will minus this time. We will minus time where trader lose money. Do you see that quantity of entries decrease, and now we don't see 750, we see 563 here. And let's apply filters, and you will see how will change income. Take a look. 300 over 303%. Friends, before it we saw how many percent? It was 162. Now 303. Free. Trader made more profit on 87%, could make on 87%. If he didn't, or she, if she stopped trading in these hours. That means sometimes when you do less, it's better for you. Doing less sometimes, especially in trading. That's why do not focus on quality, on a quantity of your entries. Focus on quality. Your entries must be the best, with the best approach. Friends, write it. Is it clear about quantity and about over trading? Because I saw many examples where traders made some horrible trades every day, but you pay commission to broker, you become more emotional, and as a result, we came into trading for money, and doing more entries will not bring you to the money. Right, please. That yes, I understood about over trading. Believe me, when you will write it by your hands, it will be better for you, because your mind, your subconscious mind will remind it. Write it, over trading, understood over trading, or clear about over trading, or something like create a comment by yourself. Just do it, friends. Just do it. Just write it into the comment. Just do it. Awesome. Awesome. Yes, understood overtrading. Awesome. Friends, one more, please. Someone. Okay, I understood about. Good. It is, you need to understand that it's real, it sounds simple. It sounds simple, but on that simplicity build all trading. It's a keystones, and most of the people don't understand it. You need to, if you do over trading, you need to use risk manager. First, we will speak about other mistake and how to prevent over trading, and some software which you can use. I'll show to you. Okay, it's first, it's biggest mistake. Second biggest mistake is over risking too much per position, 10% or whole deposit to the moon. We will rise to the moon. I will buy all. I will sell my house and will buy Bitcoin and will be a millionaire in few months and will buy a Lamborghini. Friends, don't believe in that shit. Don't believe in that shit. I want to show you this. A few seconds. Okay. Mm. First, what you need to understand. As a trader, you always will have a negative position, and it is normal. Believe me, it's okay. It's okay. You need to be prepared to it. And I want to show you this table. Take a look. Take a look. If you put into risk 1%, how you can decrease your account if you have some loser position in a row. For example, you have risk 1% per position. It's per position. We don't speak about pips. We speak about percent. How count percent? It's another topic. Yeah, sometimes maybe I'll do webinar about it and record video. You can decrease your account on 10% if you have 10 negative position in a row. It depends how you trade. If you are intraday trader, you can make 5 negative position. It's really easy. 5 negative position really easy to make per day. And just imagine if you have really bad week and you have 5 day in a row with 5 negative position. It is 25. It is nearly 25% drawdown. It's nearly 24% drawdown. And take a look on this table. Take a look on this table. When you have 20% drawdown, you need 25% profit. You need to make 25% profit only to recover it. Only to recover it. Think, think deeply about these numbers. When you make bigger drawdown, for you it is hardly to recover it, because everything what is under 20%, 30%, you become over emotional. And I know that feeling because I blow out many accounts. I know how you feel it. That's why you need to speak wise. You need to think wisely about your risk. First, you need to have a risk with which you can sleep calmly. When you have some problems with your trading, first where you need to pay attention is risk manager, because if you have really good risk per position, everything will be okay. First, about risk per position. 1%, if be honest, it's too much if you intraday trader. For intraday traders, you need to have a risk per day. For example, you open per day, you can open 5 position. You can open 5 position, and you need to use this 1% per these 5 positions. That means only 0.2% you can risk. You can risk per position. You can increase your risk only when you have booked profit. Only part of that profit you can put into your risk. Only in that case you will survive. In other cases, you will hit huge drawdowns and probably will blow out everything, because when we use this table, because as bigger you have drawdown, it will be harder to you to recover it, because it's not only numbers, it's also about emotions, because trading, it's far more important about emotions. I saw how people lose their accounts not because of some technical skills, lack of some technical skills, but because they became over emotional. And take a look about bigger risk, because sometimes people take 3% per position or 5% per position. Uh, People, you need to know that if you have 5 position in a row negative with risk 3%, you have nearly 15% drop down, 14%. Just imagine 5 days, one trading week, 25. Even don't have number here. 5 trading week. Okay, let's count. I do real examples for you. You need to pay more attention about these numbers. Um, for example, you have drawdown 14% per day, and let's 56% per week. It's too much. If you have this drawdown, you need to double your account to recover your drawdown. Believe me, in 90% cases, it will end with blowed out account. I saw it many times. That's why about risk, what I recommend to all of you, and how can you save your account. Do you want to know how you can save your account? Do you want to know how to set a proper risk per day? What recommendation to use? If write into the chat that yes, I want to know. Okay. First, you need to understand what is your system. We will speak about system. It's next topic. But at this moment, I will show you tool which can save your account, which really can save your account. It's take a look. Take a look. You can get it for free. It is automatic. It's a robot which automatically can save your account, can protect you from some losses. For example, you can set risk per day. For example, 5%. It's for example, or 100 USD. And if you hit this risk, this tool can stop you and stop your trading till next day. It will prevent you of next losses, because if you trade it more than few months, you know that when you have some negative position, you want to take that money back. You want to fight with the market. You want to get it back, all the money which you just lost. You want to rise your risk per position, because with bigger lot size you will take back quickly, and also you will be able to make money. I think you know these emotions. But when you use risk manager, it will cut you. If you it will cut your all problems. That's why if you will want to use it, just you'll be able to write to me and I'll help you to set it, because I want to show you an example what can be the view if you don't use risk manager. As you see, I just sent, it's one of my subscriber from TradingView wrote to me a few days ago. He's from my country, that's why we speak in Ukraine. But take a look here what he have done with gold. As you remember that rise on gold. Yes, he when gold rise, I sent a signal to buy. He tried to sell. And take a look. Take a look about gold. He started. It was first position on gold is this 0.15 gold city, city one, city, and take a look here. Here instead of closing negative position, uh, start to do martingale and raise volume to recover his losses. And you need to know that this situation ended with 7,000 USD losses, because gold made a pullback, but it was really horrible. He made really a huge loss, and that's why you need to have risk manager which prevent you, because that that person told me that he don't drink, he don't use some drugs or something like that, but he couldn't close first negative position, first the smallest part, and after that he became over emotional and he couldn't trade good. And that's why he made a huge horrible mistake. That's why for you, you need to know that you need to know that only risk manager will be able to save you and save your account. Okay. 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 And also about risks. About risk. First, if you intraday trader, you need to have a risk per day. For example, 1% per day. You can make risk bigger only if you have few months in a row of profit. If you close quarter with profit, only in that case you can increase your risk, and also you can increase when you booked some profit. My recommendation is risk per position, for intraday 1% per day. If you have 5 position, you need to use 0.2 If you know that you will probably will make 5 position, you will need to use 0.2 0.3, something like that. And also you need to take good risk reward to make more money. And for swing traders, for midterm traders, better to use risk per position. For example, you can use half of percent. It's really good, or 1%. Uh, use golden rule of swing trading. Use risk per position less than 1%. Only when you booked some profit, you can increase risk. Only in that case. Also about risk manager, you can set all that stuff here on that risk manager, and it will protect you from losses, from something bad which can happen with you. Okay. Write into the chat about risk manager what you think. Maybe you have some questions which we need to clarify or speak more. Write into the chat if there's something which you need to clarify or you have some question. If everything good, just write Yuri. Good, go on, continue. I need to see your reaction. I need to see is that everything okay? You heard me. No clear. What do you mean? Ask a question. What is not clear? Please write a question. What is not clear? Describe it, because it complex with reads. About this robot risk manager, how to set it, you will be able to write to me, and I will help you to set it on your account uh, with your risk. Just write to me here. Here you have contacts under this video. You have all my contacts. You can use Telegram, WhatsApp. You can use this link. There will be Facebook Messenger. Yes, friends, about risks, I will speak far more. I will do one special webinar about risks. Okay, thank you. Let's go. Let's continue. Next stuff. Uh, Trading without step-by-step trading plan. Most of your mistakes with over risking and over trading comes through this mistake, because you don't know what are you looking for in the market. That means uh, what you are really looking for. What is your trading criteria? What is your trading algorithm? For example, like one of my trading algorithm like this, I wrote here everything. I trade levels, how I build levels, where I can use it, what levels is really powerful, what is not, what instruments I use, time frames, working day. I trade fake broke, how I can trade fake broke, all these types, all examples, how I can open a position, a risk manager, a reporting, everything I wrote in my trading plan. I know what I am looking for. That's why I don't have over trading, because if there is nothing where I can open a position, I don't trade. You need to understand, it's really sounds simple. It sounds simple, but it's so hard to do it. If you have some system, you need to write as much about it as you can, because you need to have a criteria how you open a position. You need to describe it as best as you can. For example, my example, I trade key levels. Mostly I trade fake broke of key levels. How I open a position, I need to have key level. Second, I need to have a fake broke or potential fake broke. After that, I open entry by market, or I set pending order, and also I need a potential risk reward. What does it mean? If I will open entry only if I will get 1 to 4 potential to next key level. Only in that case I will open entry. This is my trading criteria, what I am looking in the market. If you will not have it, you will always have over trading and over risking, because you need to have step by step trading plan. And the next really huge mistakes of most of the traders is trading without proper education. Because all previous mistakes comes from this mistake, because you don't take a car and drive it without driving lesson. You don't shoot from a gun till you take some courses in army. You don't for example, doctor don't care for people till he's graduate, or judge, how many judge, how years judge need to study to become a judge. Did you ask it? But in trading, you don't need to study. You just want to trade, to open position, and buy Lamborghini, and everything will be good. But friends, I really believe in it. I really believe in it. Write please into the chat. Do you really believe that without education you can become a good trader? Just write it in the chat, because for me it's interesting to understand how you think about it. About education, you need to find a good person, good mentor who have results and can help you, because uh, good trader, good mentor will help you to create a system. He will show his system, and using that information you will make some settings, and uh, will improve that system to yourself, because system must be suitable for you. For example, I am a emotional person. I cannot trade intraday, because if I open few position, I start thinking, I start just opening empty for what's going on, something like that. That's why I'm a swing trader. I am looking for key levels on daily chart. I can hold position for a few days, few weeks. When I open position, it really good place, because I really calm when I use low risk. Uh, that's why if you didn't study, you need to have a mentor, and video on YouTube. It's not a good mentorship. Video on YouTube, it is not good mentorship because I attend many courses, and the most important stuff in education, it's a feedback. All it's like you going to gym and you try to build your body, and you just push, you just made some lift, and you don't know, do you do it good or not. But when you have a trainer, coach, uh, he can tell you, no, this you don't do good these push-ups. Your muscles don't work. You need to do it in another way. The same stuff with education. That's why you need to find someone. I don't speak about me in this case because I think with this area of internet you can find someone who will be really suitable. About me, yes, I provide education, but it's only face to face, and I work till result only. And about education, when you will learn good system, will create step by step plan. In that cases, you will be able to stop over risking and over trading. Because for me, it took free deposits to understand that over risking is horrible thing. Free deposit, I blow out. Free account, free account, and after that understood that it's not good to over risking. About over trading, also the same stuff, maybe two accounts I blow out to understand that it's really horrible. And also, what was my feeling when I did it? Friends, right, please, is it clear about all this mistake? I want to make a summary for you. uh, in trading you can make four biggest mistake. First, first when you start trading without good education, because there are really a lot of pitfalls where someone can blame you, someone can scam you, and only people who survive it after all that stuff, who have enough experience, can help you to do it cheaper. Because a few because few minutes ago I just showed to you example how many thousands of USD this trader lost because of few horrible mistake, because of over risking. When you have a good mentor, he can help you, and he can help you to save your 12,000. I saw 80,000, 100,000 of USD when people lose because of such mistakes. And don't do it. Invest in your education. Next, it's trading without step-by-step plan. It's when you need to write everything about your system, what you are looking, and only trade where you see it. Over risking, it is when you think that you will uh, buy Lamborghini in 2 days. You need to trade calmly. Trading, it's marathon. You need to build long-term plans. And over trading, when you trade without when you don't need it, when you don't have system according to to your trading algorithm. Okay, right, please. What questions you have? Right, please. What questions you have about this webinar, about this four mistake? Maybe you know. No, because about risk, can we risk all our profit for single trade? No, because if you will lose all your profit, you will feel yourself exhausted. You can risk part of your profit. For example, you made 2%, you will make 1,000 USD, and you don't put 1,000 USD. You put, for example, half of that, and you will have another second opportunity if something will go wrong to make that shoot. Friends, write into the chat. Maybe you have some questions about this topic, about these four mistakes, something like that. Also about risk manager. About risk manager, I'll add a link on that risk manager here below this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and push like, friends. Push like, and after that, write a comment. After when I finish it, write a comment and share it with your friends. Okay, wait few seconds. If there will be no any questions, I will finish it. Okay, thank you. Guys, is it clear? George, you saw how many money people lose. For example, one the trader lose in 1 week too much, really too much, and to pay 100 USD per month for some protection, because in hedge funds mostly they have a person who work like a risk manager, a search of everything. But you can buy tool for 100 USD. You don't need to hire a person. And also about that robot, you can trade without risk manager. I didn't say that it's only with this and this world will stop. You need to understand what is your risk. Without risk manager, you can make a lot of mistake. You can you can make big drawdown. You can start a martingale or something like that. It's without risk manager. With risk manager, if something go wrong, it stop you. It protect you from bad mistake. Your choice to use it or not. Okay, friends, thank you for your attention here. Uh, it was nice to see every one of you here. Please share this video to your friends and write a comment. Um, a risk manager strategy can be clearly built in somebody's mind. I know that people lose a lot. I am at my third deposit. Um, yes, George, in our mind, we can make a lot of decisions, but when it comes to real trading, mostly you just blow out everything and cannot think about it. Okay, I need to go because because my clients writing to me. Okay, friends, thank you for your time. Please don't use these horrible mistakes in trading. Save your accounts, and also if you think about education on with person who have real experience and can show his real statement, real account, you can write to me using these contacts, and I'll show you how to trade profitably. Okay, have a great time. Bye.